Welcome to the latest edition of Manufacturing Production Solutions, the international magazine dedicated to manufacturing professionals across the globe. In this issue, we explore the technologies, innovations, and engineering excellence shaping the future of modern industry. We begin with a powerful example of British engineering innovation. Heart Door Systems has delivered a groundbreaking solution for a major waste transfer facility, supplying a range of high-performance industrial doors designed to operate in some of the harshest environments. At the heart of this project is the Speedor Storm, a high-speed industrial door engineered to combine reliability, efficiency, and exceptional wind resistance. Designed for demanding applications such as factories, warehouses, and processing plants, these doors enable rapid opening and closing, helping to maintain temperature control, reduce energy loss, and improve overall operational efficiency. But performance is only part of the story. Hart's advanced door systems are built to withstand extreme wind pressures, with resistance levels reaching the highest classifications. This ensures stability, safety, and consistent operation even in exposed environments. From multi-layer reinforced materials to intelligent control systems, every element is designed to enhance productivity while protecting both people and assets. Automation plays a key role, with features such as motion sensors, remote operation, and full integration into building management systems. These doors deliver seamless, hands-free functionality, reducing downtime and improving workflow across busy industrial sites. Moving beyond doors, this issue also highlights the next generation of manufacturing technologies. From the transition to advanced QR and 2D coding systems, to intelligent inspection solutions ensuring product accuracy and compliance, manufacturers are preparing for a future where data, traceability, and precision are more critical than ever. We also explore how automation continues to transform production environments. Case studies demonstrate how companies are scaling operations through integrated control systems, real-time monitoring, and advanced vision technology, delivering higher output, improved quality, and reduced waste. Sustainability remains a central theme. Industry events such as Sustainable Food Factory 2026 are driving the conversation forward, helping manufacturers tackle energy efficiency, decarbonization, and supply chain optimization. The message is clear. Operational efficiency and sustainability are no longer separate goals. They are intrinsically linked. Artificial intelligence is also accelerating across the sector. From predictive maintenance to advanced analytics, AI is enabling smarter decision-making and unlocking new levels of productivity. However, as innovation advances, the need for governance, data integrity, and responsible implementation becomes increasingly important. And finally, we look at the future of UK manufacturing. Major infrastructure projects, including small modular reactor developments, are creating significant opportunities across the supply chain, reinforcing the UK's position as a hub for high-value engineering and production. Manufacturing Production Solutions continues to bring you the insight, innovation, and expertise driving industry forward. From cutting-edge technology to real-world engineering success stories. This is where manufacturing meets the future. To read the full issue and discover more, visit industrialdirector.com. Manufacturing Production Solutions, engineering insight for a smarter, more efficient world.